Arch brings a new synergy to precision contract manufacturing with state-of-the-art facilities strategically located across the U.S. Consolidation of application knowledge and expanding capabilities. Our combined resources include engineering and design for manufacturability expertise, from prototype through production, with advanced manufacturing and finishing services.
We have the strength, capacity, and scalability to serve OEM and top-tier suppliers.
Arch machines complex and critical tight tolerance components for a wide range of market-specific applications. Through ongoing investments in the latest technologies and equipment, we elevate our processes and enhance the skills of our teams.
We are confident we can help solve your toughest challenges. Our engineering teams can help bring a competitive advantage to your next project, resulting in higher performance, quality, and profitability.
The time has come for a consolidated approach to precision manufacturing solutions. A new synergy we can all build on